नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल शिक्षा सखा पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ कक्षा 6 की इंग्लिश की बुक पूर्वी का लेसन 11। लेसन का नाम है द विनर। इस वीडियो में हम इस पाठ के हिंदी अनुवाद, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 10 चेंज ऑफ हार्ट पाठ का हिंदी अनुवाद, शब्दार्थ, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं द विनर लेसन। लेट अस डू दीज एक्टिविटीज बिफोर वी रीड। तो यहाँ पर ये पाठ दिया गया है। अगर आप इसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को रोककर पढ़ सकते हैं। एक्सरसाइज दी गई है। अब हम यहाँ पर द विनर की समरी करेंगे इंग्लिश में। द पोएम डिपस्टिक Children playing energetically outdoors in the evening. They play ball next to a creek in their neighbor's field, running so fast that they become breathless as twilight depends into the night. Blue dark turn to black the cold grass beneath their feet, and the encroaching trees signals the end of their game. The poet ends with the playful assertion that night winds, signifying the transition from lively play to the quiet of night. द विनर समरी इन हिंदी। कविता में बच्चे शाम को खेलते हैं। वे अपने पड़ोसी के खेत में नदी के किनारे बॉल खेलते हैं। इतनी तेजी से दौड़ते हैं कि उनकी सांसें फूल जाती हैं। जब नीले अंधेरे काले बदल जाते हैं, ठंडी घास और पास आने वाले पेड़ संकेत करते हैं कि उनका खेल समाप्त हो रहा है। कविता अपने हंसी मुखी निष्कर्ष से समाप्त होती है। रात जीतती है, जो उनके खेल से चुप्पी को दर्शाता है। वर्ड मीनिंग करेंगे। क्रीक ए स्मॉल रिवर, H is a pain that lasts for a long time. Trip, move forward slowly. Page 116. Creek, a small stream or brook often found in a forest or rural area. नदी का छोटा सा उच्चाल। Neighbor, a person who lives near or next to another, पड़ोसी। Field, an area of open land typically used to agriculture purpose or sports, यानी खेत। H, to suffer a continuous dull pain, to feel sore or uncomfortable यानी दर्द होना। Creep, to move slowly and quietly, often while trying to avoid being noticed, रेंगना, अपहरण। चलिए पढ़ते हैं। अब हम इसकी हिंदी करेंगे। शाम को हम नाले के किनारे अपने पड़ोसी के खेत में गेंद खेलते हैं। हम अपनी इतनी तेज दौड़ते हैं कि सांस भी नहीं ले पाते। हमारे पैर जब नीला अंधेरा काले रंग में बदल जाता है, ठंडी घास दर्द करती है, पेड़ पास रेंगते हैं, खेल खत्म, रात जीत जाती है। होना नहीं, जॉर्जिया हेड। अब हम यहाँ पर इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। क्वेश्चन आंसर। Let us do these activities before we read. Page 115. Question 1. Look at this picture. A. What are these children doing? B. Where do you think they are? C. What is the time of the day? A का आंसर है the children are playing. B का आंसर है they are in a park or a field. और C का आंसर है evening. Question 2. Discuss the given questions with your classmates and teacher. You may begin your sentences with I go to, I play with, the place I go to for playing. I like playing. Sometimes I come back. A. When do you go to play after school? आंसर है I go in the evening to play. B. What do you play with? आंसर है I play with my friend. C. Where do you go to play in the evening? आंसर है I go to the park in the evening to play with my friends. D. Which games do you like playing? आंसर है I like to play football and hide and seek. E. When do you come back home? आंसर I come back after sunset. Let us discuss page 116. Question 1. Read the given lines from the poem. Write the meaning of the lines by identifying the words expression in them. आंसर है lines from the poem and meaning. First है next to the creek flew a small body of water. Children are playing near a small body of water, often a stream or brook. दूसरा है I cannot even catch my breath. Clue the child has been running. इसका है the child is out of breath, likely from running or exerting themselves physically. अगला है when the blue dark turns to black, the line describes the transition in of the sky's color from the evening twin. Clue the color of the sky change from the blue of black. What does it mean? Evening twin blue dark to night black, it signifies the approaching darkness as the evening progress to night. As it is evening, आगे trees creep close. Clue it is evening time. What do you think the trees seem close? आंसर है as it is evening time, as indicated by the approaching darkness, the trees seems to encourage nearer due to their dark shadow and dim shining light or an eerie atmosphere typically of dusk. Question 2. Read the poem. Complete the following based on the poem. यहाँ पर खाली स्थान दिए गए हैं, इन्हें हमें भरना है. तो इसका आंसर है चिल्ड्रन. The children play ball in the evening in the neighbor's field. They run so fast that they run out of breath. They continue to play till the evening when the blue sky turns black and the trees are not visible. They can feel their feet. H.A. Now that it is cold, finally they stop playing and go home as it is night. Let us think the reflect page 117. Question 1. Read the given lines and answer the question that follow. A. We run so fast I cannot even catch my breath. Number 1. Complete the sentences given below the correct option. यहाँ पर भी खाली स्थान दिए गए हैं, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन है the speaker needs to catch her breath because A. Everyone decided to walk. B. All the friends wish go to home. C. Running fast result in being breathless. D. They need to do breathing exercise. इसका आंसर है C. Running fast result in being breathless. Number 2. Is the speaker alone? Why do you say so? Answer है no. The speaker is not alone. The used to be in run so fast indicates that there are others with the speaker, likely friends or companions. Number 3. What does the pattern in the lines tell us? Answer है the pattern in the lines suggests a sense of urgency or excitement. The repetition of the action we run so fast emphasizes the speed and intensity of their movement. B. When blue dark turns to black, cold grass at our feet, trees creep close, games overnight winds. Give one reason why the grass is cold. Answer है the grass is cold because it is evening time and the temperature typically drop as night approaches. Second, complete the sentence suitably. The children's feet are itching because. Answer है the children's feet are itching because they have been running and playing barefoot on the cold grass. Third, why does night win? Night win because the time for play has ended. B. Children are tired. C. Time to play at home begins. D. Night follows day. Answer A. Time for play has ended. Let us learn page 118. Question 1. Read the information given in the table and see what the poet has done in the poem the winner. Now try to write some examples of your own for both. Use your imagination when creating these examples. Answer example: waves crash and roar, crash and roar, crash and roar. Second, the wind whispered secrets through the trees. 3. Raindrops danced and splashed, danced and splashed, danced and splashed. Question 2. The poet has talked about a creek in the poem. You now know that creek is a water body. Complete the word web given below by writing which other water bodies you can think of. Discuss with your teacher. Water bodies. Answer: lake, river, sea, pond, ocean, stream. यहाँ पर पानी के सोर्स दिए गए हैं इस तरह से. Let us listen page 119. Listen to the riddles and write which sports is being referred to in the table below. Riddle 1. Run and pass, run and pass. Kick a black and white ball. Kick it straight into the goal. Watch for mud, do not fall. What sport am I? Riddle 2. Hold your breath, say hoot toot toot till you touch one or two. Take care to keep a distance wide as you run back to your team side. Which sports am I? Number 3. In the water, hold your breath. The water is very cool. Arms turn, leg kick in the blue pool. Which sports I am? Riddle 4. Breathe in, breathe out. Practice every day, just right. You will be healthy and fit, get energy and grow in might. What am I? Try to create a riddle about your favorite game, sports, activity. Share your riddles with your classmates. Let us see who can guess it right. Riddles related to sports. Riddle 1. I am played on a court with a net in between. A shuttlecock flies fast and screens. Players smash and volley back and forth they strive in the sports of finesse where agility thrives. Question: what am I? Answer है badminton. Riddle 2. On a field or a court with a ball to throw, teammates pass and shot to score a big blow. The crowd cheer loudly as players run and dash in the game of strategy where teamwork makes a splash. Question: what am I? Answer है basketball. Riddle 3. Played with a stick and a ball on the ice, speeding and waving, skating, presses. Goals are scored with skill and might in the fast-paced game under arena lights. Question: what am I? Answer: ice hockey. Let us speak page 121. Enact the roles of parent and a child. Situation 1. Coming home late after play. Parent upset, children explaining. Situation 2. Sharing details of the games you played. Child excited, parent asked, asking details with interest. Situation 3. Bring a new friend home after play time. Child introducing, parent welcoming. Answer. Situation 1. Coming home late after play. Parents upset. Where have you been? You were supposed to be home an hour ago. Child explaining, I am sorry mom, dad, we were playing school and we lost track of time. The game was so intense and we just did not realize how late it had gotten. I promise I will be more careful next time. Situation 2. Sharing details of the game you played. Child excited, mom, dad, today was so much fun. We played hide and seek and I was the best at hiding. No one could find me for almost 10 minutes. Parent interested, really? That sound exciting. Where did you hide and who was the seeker? Child excited, I hid behind the big neem tree in the park. The seeker was Arun and he almost gave up looking for me. We also played tag and I was so fast today. Situation 3. Bringing a new friend home after playtime. Child introducing mom and dad. This is my new friend Aditi. We met at the park while playing badminton. Parent welcoming. Hello Aditi, it is nice to meet to you. I hope you had fun playing today. Would you like to stay for a snack? Aditi, shy but happy. Thank you. Did love to. I had love to. Let us write page 121. Write a paragraph about your playtime using the clues given below. What time do I go out to play? What do I play with? What games do we play? Which is my favorite game? What do we gain from playing together? When do we finish playing and go home? Now give a title of your paragraph. Answer. Title: Fun in the Sun. My playtime adventure every evening when the sun is still bright but not too hot. I regularly rush outside to play. I play with my friends from the neighborhood who are always ready for a new adventure. We play various games like tag, hide and seek, and scorer. My favorite game is scorer because I have dribbling the ball and scoring goals. Playing together, we learn teamwork, communication, and sportsmanship. As the day start to wind down and the shadow grow longer, we reluctantly agree that it's time to finish playing and head more home for dinner. Despite being tired, we leave this smile on our face, already looking forward to our next playtime escapade. Let us explore page 121. There are many indigenous games in India. Kho in the example of an indigenous game. Indigenous games are native to a region. Find out some native games for your state and other parts of India. Learn the rules of one each game and play it with your classmates and under the supervision for your teacher. Answer. Kho, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab. A popular traditional game where two teams chase and tag players of the opposing team. Kabaddi, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. A contact sport where a rider tries to tag opponents while chanting Kabaddi and return to their side without being tackled. Gilli Danda, North India. Players use a small stick to strike a larger one. Danda scoring point based on distance and accuracy. Pachisi, North India, an ancient board game resembling modern day Ludo, playing with dice and strategy to move piece around a board. अब हम इसके MCQ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन 1. व्हाट डज द वर्ड क्रीक रेफर टू इन द context of the poem? A type of bird. B, a small stream or brook. C, a large body of water. D, a type of tree. इसका आंसर है B, a small stream or brook. Question 2. In the poem, what does the term neighbors field signify? A, field belonging to a stranger. B, a field that is far away. C, a field owned by someone living nearby. D, a field used for commercial purpose. Answer है C, a field owned by someone living nearby. Question 3. What is meant by blue dark turns to black? A, the sky becomes a lighter shade. B, the sky gradually gets darker as night falls. C, the sky turns different color during the day. D, the sky gets brighter with sunset. इसका आंसर है B, the sky gradually gets darker as night falls. Question 4. What does the word H's indicate about the sensation of the cold grass on the children's feet? A, it feels comfortable. B, it causes pain for discomfort. C, it feels warm. D, it is shooting. इसका सही आंसर है B, it causes pain or discomfortable. Question 5. In the poem, what does Night Wind suggest about the ending? A, the game continues with a new rule. B, night has taken over, ending the game. C, the children have won the game. D, the game starts anew. Answer B, night has taken over, ending the game. Question 6. What does the phrase run so fast imply about the intensity of the children's play? A, they are moving slowly and continuously. B, they are running at a moderate pace. सी दे आर रनिंग एनर्जेटिकली एंड क्विकली, दे आर वॉकिंग briskly। इसका सही आंसर है सी, दे आर रनिंग एनर्जेटिकली एंड क्विकली। क्वेश्चन 7, विच वर्ड इन द पोयम इंडिकेट्स द अप्रोच फॉर इवनिंग और नाइट? ए ब्लू, बी क्रीक, सी कोल्ड, डी क्रीप। इसका सही आंसर है डी क्रीप। Question 8, what does the use of games over signify in the context of the poem? A, the game is still of progress, B, the game is paused temporarily, C, the game has come to an end, D, the game is beginning। इसका सही आंसर है द गेम हैज कम टू एन एंड। क्वेश्चन 9, द imagery of trees creep close primarily contributes to which mood at atmosphere? A, joyful, B, peaceful, C, foreboding or ominous, D, energetic। इसका सही आंसर है सी। क्वेश्चन 10, which elements of the poem symbolize the end of the playful activities? A, the warm weather, B, the transit of the sky from blue to black, C, the laughter of children, D, presence of the creek। इसका सही आंसर है बी, द ट्रांजिशन ऑफ द स्काई फ्रॉम ब्लू टू ब्लैक। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स फर्स्ट। इसमें आएगा प्लेइंग बॉल आर द एक्टिविटी चिल्ड्रन एंगेज्ड इन। सेकंड में आएगा क्रीक इज ए नेचुरल फीचर मेंटेन्ड इन द पोएम सेटिंग। थर्ड, इसमें आएगा इवनिंग टाइम ऑफ द डे द प्ले टेक्स प्लेस। नंबर 4, इसमें आएगा ब्लैक इज द कलर द स्काई टर्न्स आफ्टर ब्लू। पांचवें में आएगा नाइट विंस एट द एंड ऑफ द गेम। ट्रू और फॉल्स। नंबर 1, द पोएम डिस्क्राइब प्लेइंग बॉल इन द मॉर्निंग नियर द क्रीक। ये है फॉल्स। नंबर 2, द गेम टेक्स प्लेस इन द नेबर फील्ड नेक्स्ट टू द क्रीक। आंसर ट्रू। नंबर 3, द स्पीकर फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू कैच देयर ब्रीथ बिकॉज दे रन सो स्लोली। आंसर फॉल्स। Number 4, as the evening turns from blue to black, the cold grass begins to hurt their feet. Answer है true. Number 5, the poem describes the game ending when the trees move away and the night arrives. इसका आंसर है false. Question 6, the arrival of night signifies the end of the game. इसका आंसर है true. Number 7, the speaker is able to comfortably continue playing as it gets darker. इसका आंसर है false. Number 8, the poem dipstick of a transition from day to night as the game ends. इसका आंसर है true. Number 9, the speaker's feet are comfortable and warm during the game. False. Number 10, night is deficient at winning over the game. इसका आंसर है true. तो यहाँ पर हमारा लेसन 11 का कार्य पूरा हो गया है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 12 योगा ए वे ऑफ लाइफ पार्ट की हिंदी क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाऊंगी। आपको मेरी ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।